Space can come at a premium, and that's often the case with home office setups. If you want to save a bit of real estate, you can invest in a mini PC to keep things a little more compact. From gaming PCs to everyday workstations, there's a mini PC to suit every budget. Our top pick is the MSI MEG Trident X2, which boasts an impressive design, 13th-gen processor, and RTX 4070 graphics card. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 6 best mini PCs and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you. Choose the best one for you. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 6. Intel NUC C12 Extreme. A modular mini PC that comes with just an Intel Core i9 12900 processor, integrated graphics, and tons of connectivity, letting you decide how to build out the rest of the computer. PC builders and diggers will instantly fall for the next level Intel NUC C12 Extreme. This barebones setup leaves ample room for customizations without forcing you to start from scratch. You begin with a high-end 12th Gen Intel Core processor, a mini PC case, the latest ports, the newest connectivity standards, and 3 92mm fans to keep everything chill. However, this modular mini PC leaves the rest to your discretion, so a monstrous RAM up to 64GB can come pre-installed, while 3 M.2 slots leave plenty of space to add in SSD storage. It even totes a PCIe Gen 5 slot for a discrete GPU and customizable RGB lighting if you're building a gaming PC. But remember that all those customizations won't come cheap and things get cramped quickly. So think about what components you need before buying. Number 5. Acer Chromebox Cxi 4. Running on an older Intel Core i7 10th generation CPU and 16GB RAM, this Chrome OS-based mini PC can still handle most workflows, some light gaming, and supports up to 3 displays. More powerful than most Chromebooks out there, the Chrome OS-based Acer Chromebox Cxi 4 is fantastic for home, work, and school use, as well as mobile games. Though several generations behind, the Intel Core i7 10610U processor is still a solid option. When you combine that CPU with 16GB of RAM, it can chug through almost everything you throw at it. Acer Chromebox Cxi 4 is great for casual users, but it's even better for professionals who can maximize its features. You get support for up to 3 external displays, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.1, along with a decent number of ports for peripherals. Though it's already supremely compact and weighs under 2 pounds, you can save even more space using this rig's multiple mounting options, attaching it to things like a monitor stand. Number 4. Asus Chromebox 5. Best mini PC for students. An affordable mini PC ready to tackle more basic tasks with its Intel Celeron 7305 processor, integrated graphics, 4GB of RAM, and 128GB of SSD storage. If you're a student living in a dorm and are tight on space, a mini PC can be helpful, especially to those who prefer a desktop computer over a laptop. The lightweight and compact Asus Chromebox 5 is a great solution, easily fitting on a desk or in a backpack. Thrifty students will also love the under $300 price tag, so you can grab a great budget monitor and other peripherals to pair with it. More than just affordable and portable, this Chromios-based PC is secure and doesn't need excessive power, seeing users through research, writing papers, and movie streaming when taking a break from studying. Support for up to 4 4K displays through dual HDMIs, a DisplayPort 1.4, and a Thunderbolt 4 can come in handy, while a 2.5 GHz Ethernet and Wi-Fi 6E ensure a reliable and speedy internet connection. However, for those looking to do more graphics-heavy tasks like video editing or gaming, you may want to grab something with more oomph under the hood. Number 3. MinisForum EM680. Best mini PC for everyday tasks. This mini PC can handle just about any task you throw at it, including gaming, thanks to the powerful AMD Ryzen 7 6800U CPU, 16GB RAM, upgradable storage, and ample connectivity options. Ticks the right boxes as it's affordable yet powerful, palm-sized yet thermal efficient, thanks to a high-performance, low-noise cooling system. Powering it all is an exceptionally fast AMD Ryzen 7 6800U with integrated graphics, giving your PC enough oomph to handle demanding needs and even some PC gaming, albeit at low settings. The 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage pair perfectly with that processor and should be plenty for the average user, making it a multitasking maven. Somehow, MinisForum squeezes all that into a compact box, measuring 1.57 inches thick and weighing just over half a pound. While you're stuck with most of the components, you can upgrade the SSD storage up to 2 TB, and there's an SD card slot. Beyond that, this machine packs tons of connectivity, including support for up to 3 4K at 60 Hz display outputs via HDMI and USB 4 ports. Number 2. Apple Mac Mini. Best mini PC for content creators. Powered by Apple's M2 Pro chip with a 10-core CPU, a 16-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine. This tiny computer breezes through heavy tasks like video editing. The M2 Pro-powered Mac Mini is every content creator's dream. With it, you get a 10-core CPU that offers 6 performance and 4 efficient cores, a 16-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine. When you pair that with 16 GB of memory and 512 GB of storage, this machine is powerful enough to edit multiple streams of ProRes, H.264, and HEVC video at an 8K resolution and support up to 3 high-res displays. For even more oomph, it's possible to boost the RAM to 32 GB and storage up to a wild 8 TB. Beyond being one of the fastest, quietest, and smoothest machines available, the Mac Mini somehow manages a compact, lightweight design, making it easy to toss in a carry-on bag, a detail that nomadic creative professionals can appreciate. Even though this beast is tiny, it's still packing all the ports you need, including 4 Thunderbolt 4, 2 USB-A, an HDMI, a headphone jack, and a 10 GB Ethernet for faster network speeds. It's also a pretty decent budget Mac for gaming thanks to the power of the M2 Pro chip. Number 1. MSI MEG Trident X2. Grab a mini PC that's ready to game thanks to powerful processors, high-capacity memory and storage, and ample cooling. Though the MSI MEG Trident X2 is not our most compact option, it's at the top of the pile in terms of sheer performance. In fact, our hardware editor has been using it daily for 3 months, and she loves it. With this option, you get a 13th Gen Intel i7 processor paired with RTX 4070 Ti graphics, which should be more than enough for most gamers. Add in 32 GB of RAM and 1 TB of SSD storage, and your games are all but guaranteed to run smoothly and load up quickly. There are very few of the best PC games this mini rig can't conquer at their moderate to highest settings. But should you feel the need for even beastlier internals, the machine is easily upgradable. Given this PC packs some powerful hardware in a smaller than usual form factor, cooling needs to be a top priority. MSI doesn't disappoint with a special tech that utilizes independent air chambers to dissipate heat and a unique design to direct cool air toward the GPU. There's also 280mm AIO liquid cooling, so things should stay relatively frosty. To top it off is a handful of ports for peripherals and a handy HDMI Touch LCD.